What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on MULN ticker symbol.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are now on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that this asset forms some kind of bearish flag, and usually this pattern breaks to the downside, and the price target might be at roughly $1.66, and it is a pretty much confluence with this yellow line, the support line from this previous price action at the price point of roughly $1.56. And as you can see, we broke this range to the downside, and let me show you more thoroughly that we were hovering for quite some time on a previous session around the ranges of $3 to $3.2, but then we broke it to the downside and had massive movement for more than 27%. Definitely it was a huge decrease in its price, and I have to say that this movement was 100% expectable. So my previous call that I made somewhere at this point was that we should have next leg to the upside and we should hit the price target of $2.77. And depending on your entry point, you might be up on this call for more than 65%. And yes, I missed this movement to the upside when we hit $4.15, but this movement to the upside was with a very low probable rate. And I have to say that you should rely only on the most probable outcomes, and you won't catch any movements of this asset. You just have to catch the most probable movements, and that's how you can be profitable over time. So let's continue with the fundamental news, and let's start with their official website. For now, as you can see, they don't have any recent news that might be the real catalyst for this company. They just posted on March 25th another article that is titled "Leading Publication WCCF Tech reports Mullen Automotive continues to receive strong interest from growing and devoted group of Mullen 5 enthusiasts." And I have to say that it is nothing else but another reference on this article. And let me show you that this article was published on March 21st, and it is quite bullish article. Yes, I have to admit it is quite bullish article, but in my opinion it doesn't reflect all the pros and all the cons related to this company. That's why you have to be very cautious. And I don't need to quote any of this information because it is not the real catalyst that might be the game changer for this asset. That's why you have to be very cautious and you have to rely on your own due diligence, and you can watch my previous videos and you can rely on them as a part of your due diligence, because nothing is set in stone, and I also might be completely wrong with my forecast. But let's continue with this news. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published just 30 minutes ago, and it says, "Why is Mullen Automotive stock down 20% today?" And let me quote you this. "One of the more volatile stocks in the market over the past month has been Mullen Automotive, and today it seems like short sellers may be playing a role. Indeed, today's volatility is to the downside, with shares of MULN stock dropping more than 20% at the time of writing." And what's driving volatility with Mullen stock? Much of Mullen's recent rise is tied to announced improvements with the company's electric vehicle battery tech. Investors have a number of catalysts to rely on that suggest this company has a brighter future than its beaten down valuation suggests. However, it's also clear that traders are viewing the stock as a unique two-sided vehicle to make money in the short term. Specifically, short interest with Mullen stock is remarkably high, currently sitting at around 36%. This high level of short interest has created a situation where volatility could be the norm for some time. That's because Bulls may view this level of short interest as a potential catalyst for a short squeeze. Short sellers might be emboldened by these numbers, suggesting their thesis is correct. In either case, this is clearly a polarizing stock. Accordingly, the wild swings we've seen on late may be expected. Moving forward, I think a MULN stock is likely to act more as a trading vehicle than an investment. Accordingly, investors may want to be cautious with this name right now. And I have to say that the only real catalyst for the short term for this company that we might have is the short interest and potential short squeeze. But let me show you this information. We are on stocktweets.com website and we are on watcher section. Right here, as you can see, we don't have a MULN ticker symbol, and on the most active section we have this ticker symbol on the second place, and we also don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. This means this asset is losing its momentum. It is still one of the most active ticker symbols, but it doesn't have enough bullish pressure to support this stock. And let me show you the apewisdom.io website, and this website tracks the activity from Wall Street Bets community related to different assets. And right here, Mullen Automotive is on the 9th place, and previously it was much higher than for now, and definitely it is still losing its momentum, and we might see even lower price action with this asset. And here is another reason why we might see this decrease in price. We are on kivercount.com website, and this website tracks a lot of activities from Wall Street Bets community. And as you can see right here on the trends by industry chart, we can see the cannabis industry that is outperforming the EV industry on a very strong manner. And definitely for now, cannabis industry is the hottest one because of the potential legalization of cannabis in the United States. And definitely this industry attracts a lot of attention from retail community, from MULN stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect? I have to say that this asset is still very volatile, and I still stand on my position that we have to hit lower targets. For now, we found the support on an hourly time frame from the 200 exponential moving average, and from this range we might have some kind of reaction, but also we have more chances to hit lower levels. And if this pattern of bearish flag is correct, we have the price target that we should hit at the price point of roughly $1.67. And on a bigger picture, as you can see, we hit this red line, and this red line is nothing else but the Fibonacci retracement range of 0.236. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the end of November right here, from its swing high to this swing low, and this range is the first range of resistance that asset might have in its retracement. And from this range we had this massive reaction to the downside, and on a bigger picture we might have this movement to the upside as the retracement of ABC correction. We might have this as our A wave, this is our B, and this entire movement is the C wave. And if it is the real case, we might hit even the $0.55 price point, and we might go even lower. And definitely this will imply much more volatility on the lower levels for this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up.